Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you whether you can or cannot open snaps on Snapchat web browser. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So as you can see, we are in Snapchat on our web browser, and what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the left hand side. As you can see, we've got a chat here, Guide Infinity, and it says new snap on mobile. So what we're going to do is we're going to give that a click, and then as you can see it says new snap, open the mobile app to view. So you can send messages, and as obviously you can see up above, we've had a conversation here and that has worked. But if you want to view a snap, then you have to view it on the mobile app version. You cannot do it on the web-based version. So that was just a really quick one, clearing up that on whether you can open snaps on the Snapchat web, and unfortunately you can't. You do need the mobile-based version in order to do that. Super quick one for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. We really do appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.